relationship is over, but you still want to get your ex-couple back? Love spells with lemon and sugar are ideal for this type of situations. Today we will see how the sugar-lemon ritual works to recover a couple. This is a very old spell and it works, and I would like to point out that it should not be taken as a joke, because it is not a joke. If a relationship is over, it's best to let some time pass before you try anything. If you feel that it is best for both of you to get back together, then you can try these 2 lemon spells with sugar for the love I described below. Lemon spell with sugar for love. You will need to 1. A fresh lemon. 2. Sugar. 3. A small sheet of paper, pink if you have one. 4. Red yarn or ribbon. Preparation. 1. On the sheet of paper, write your name and the name of your ex-couple and then cut the lemon into 2 equal parts. Try to cut it evenly in the middle. 2. Add plenty of white sugar in the 2 halves of the lemon. 3. Fold the paper, making the names touch, and put it in the middle of the pieces of lemon. 4. Tie the red yarn around the lemon to hold it together. In doing all this, visualize how you recover your ex-couple and how happy he makes you and him. Now put the small lemon packet in the freezer and hide it in the back so nobody can see it. You can expect to see your ex-couple return to your life in a month. It is possible that this spell does not work for you, but do not worry, because not all spells work for all people. If you have tried it and it does not work for you, you must try out many more existing spells. I will post more spells on my channel.